Hey guys, welcome to Little Panda Forex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple technique that I use myself in the VIP group, and we got a 10R trade. My view, everything is different because I'm not in the UK, and welcome to the new channel. Subscribe, leave a like. Coming to the chart, this is CAD JPY, the 1 hour. And I made an entry with my VIP group live down here. But why did I do it here? All of this never happened. So let's move all of this back till here. Okay, so I saw price moving up. What does this show us? That we are in a uptrend, which is a very bullish structure. So we're making higher highs, higher lows, and here we broke the recent high. See, just like that, with a nice bullish engulfing candle to the upside. And then I went and I looked at the retail sentiment, like what is retail doing? I don't depend on it 100%, but if my technique is saying that I need to buy and the retail sentiment is showing me the opposite, that's a good thing because I want to go against the retail traders. So I came to retail. I looked at 95% of them are trying to sell it, because when something goes up, retail automatically just thinks, oh, reversal, I need to catch the reversal. So they keep selling. And what does the market do? Go up. I even said this in the VIP group. Let me show you. Around 90% of retail traders are selling CAD JPY. What do you think the banks will do? Move price higher and higher. But this wasn't enough. So I went and I Googled, why is the CAD so strong recently? When oil prices are high, the amount of US dollars Canada earns on each barrel of oil it exports will be high. We know because what's happening, oil prices through the roof. So the Canadian dollar is gonna have, is gonna be valued higher than everything else. Knowing this, I came back to the chart. I jumped into the smaller time frame, and there must be something interesting at the smaller time frame. What do we see? We see a nice imbalance, and the move that broke structure happened from here. So we just do the basic stuff. We mark that area, something like that. Okay, and now we have an area of interest. Now we wait for price to do its thing. Let's go to the 5 minute. We can even see something better in the 5 minute, and then I'm gonna skip forward a bit. What price is doing? It's playing around. Perfect. All right. So down here, what do we see? The price moved up, and all of this price is holding on this one leg, which is not healthy. Okay. And furthermore, we can see that down here we got equal lows. This is a liquidity area. So price is likely to take this, tap into our smaller time frame order block, close back inside, and then push higher up according to a higher time frame. Remember guys, don't get lost in the smaller time frame. That's when things go. Okay? Always follow the higher time frame, but use the smaller time frame to get that really refined entry, so you can have a really big up. Like in the VIP group, recently we've been doing all 10 Rs, and it's working really well. We're gonna skip. All of this is liquidity. Price is just gonna go. Yeah. This move to the upside is just manipulation, you know. Price cannot, like, let me show you guys this. Yeah. This is a box, and this is the leg down here. Okay. I don't know why I'm using my finger. This much price. This is a lot of weight. Price cannot maintain this. Price needs to drop down, create another leg, another foundation before moving higher, right? So let's remove this, and we're still waiting. It's all about being patient. The patient traders are the ones that are making the biggest money. Okay, I think this is a move that we've been looking for. Bam. So price tapped in this area, took the liquidity. So if anyone had their stop losses here, which is some smart money traders, unfortunately as well, they got tapped in and stop loss here. So I entered after this. I told my VIP members, enter somewhere here. Let me refine the exact numbers. So at this point, we had no entry because we were still waiting to see what price does. At this point, we are entered, okay? So we put our stop loss here because price has no reason. It came to the order block, it cleared the imbalance, it took liquidity from here, everywhere. Liquidity here, everywhere. And this wick closing back into that area is in line with the high time frame and the order block. Price literally had no reason to move any further down, and this is a 10R trade. Somewhere here around 2R, it was I would take profit one in case people wanted to get out early if they don't have the patience. But generally speaking, most of the traders like myself, they held all the way, and let's see what happens. Yeah, you see? So TP2 was smashed. It came back to the area, and let's go into the high time frame. At this point, we did nothing. We just held our position. Gotta follow the plan. You know, trust the technical, and boom, take profit. Hit. We made 10R. So if you risked 1%, you made 10%. Now you can lose 10 trades in a row to come to break even. This is why I like really these really high R trades. It's like low risk, a high reward. And this technique works almost every single time on every time frame, every pair, but you just have to follow the momentum. If you see something is making higher highs, higher lows, and is moving up, and the fundamental supports you, and the retail sentiment is supporting you as well, as in most people are selling and your trading plan says buy, then everything is perfect. And obviously I risked 0.5% of my account, and I made almost 6,000 from that one single trade. I also sent a buy limit on CHF JPY, same concept as the CAD JPY. It missed us by like 5-6 pips, and then it hit 10R again. We could have been up 20R in a week. That would have been 10% if you're risking 0.5%, or 20% if you're risking 1%. And you know what's the funny thing? This trade went beyond 10R. Let me show you where this trade went. So we made an entry on the 21st of March. Today it's the 25th. No, today is the 27th, but the trade closed on the 25th, which was on Friday night, at 45R. Oh my God, I got FTMO funded account, so I can't hold over the weekend, but this would have been such a... let me just check this quickly. So I risked about 600 per trade times 45. Jesus, 27,000 pounds. For the US guys, that's $35,000 from one trade. In how long? So 21 to 25. 4 days. God damn it, that's 1 year's salary at my old job. Okay guys, so you see this technique is very effective, it works. Two things I will tell you guys. If you don't know how the fundamental works, it's not important, but it does help. And also this Forex retail sentiment, I only use it as a secondary. I never depend on it. So if this is telling me, oh, most people are selling this, I'm not gonna go and buy. Sometimes it does work, but always follow the structure. And this, use it as a secondary. If it supports you, good. If it doesn't, don't. So yeah guys, I hope this video is good. I'm going to be doing a lot of these videos on this new channel. I need your support. Leave a like, comment, share the video, and peace.